Hi, I'm Mr. Turner from Karate America and Krav Maga here in Sylvania. One of the most scary and unpredictable attacks is a attempted abduction when you're busy doing your normal daily activities. A couple of reasons why this might happen is because you're busy and you tend to forget about your surroundings, but you also forget about your personal safety, just being busy doing your normal thing. On Friday, September 28th, I would like to teach you the tactics and tools to be safe at our Women's Abduction Prevention Workshop. For more information and to sign up, please visit our website at sylvaniakravmaga.com.